At CyberLock, our expertise is designing solutions for real-world security. Our engineers are always hard at work to solve new problems, with innovative ideas that become award-winning solutions. And our production team uses the latest technology to bring those solutions from the page into reality. With over 35 years of manufacturing experience, all of our products are designed, engineered, and manufactured in the United States. We bring together all the pieces, from engineering to production to inventory, to create a team that values quality, innovation, and your security needs.